This is a package I've been waiting for a good while, and well worth the wait. It's from a fairly recent new lockpicker, Steve Holder. He does not have a lockpicking channel. He was the winner of my contest I had in January, which I gave away different types of lever locks like this, about 3 of them I think, and I'd taken off the covers and made clear plastic covers so you could see how the mechanism worked. And I made some picking tools, stitching tools, and pick wires so you could learn how to pick these things. And he won the draw. Even though he didn't have a channel, you could also enter it by submitting an email with locks and lockpicks to prove that you're a locksport person. And I drew his name and sent him the items. What I found out from Steve is that Steve's dad was a machinist and has the tools. Steve has the tools now, and he also works in a machine shop and gets a lot of advice from his fellow workers on during the machine work. But he's also a machine operator, and he runs the CNC milling machine. And I didn't know what that was. It sounds way beyond my pay grade, but CNC milling is a machine process to produce custom design parts for like the aerospace industry, automobiles, shipping, plumbing, refining, medical, and other precision engineering sectors of the world there. So it's a very technical, highly skilled occupation. And he also programs robot arms to make these parts. And he has a degree in computer programming and does software development. So he is a very skilled person. And I asked for his help in taking a Chubb cruiser and see if he could remove the cover and make a plate to go over top of it so I could see how it worked on the inside, similar to the locks that I had sent him with the plastic covers. And he said he'd like to help me get that done. So I sent him a Chubb lock, just like this one, and he worked on it, and here it is right here. And we're going to take a look at it and see how it turned out. I was going to try and do it myself since I've done them before, but not to this extent. Chubbs are extremely thick. That's just the top cover. Look at that, it's about 1/4 of an inch thick, and I don't have the actual powerful enough drill and drill bits to penetrate that. So let's get this out. Okay, these are the picking tools and keys. I meant for Steve to have these picking tools, not to send them back, but I guess I didn't have to put that in the message. So let's get these out. pick. And there's the dust cover and the bolt that goes into it on the front. This piece right here. But we don't need that. Goes away. All right. Let's get into this without further ado. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that craftsmanship. Everything is smooth as glass, the edges. That is incredible. And look at the screws in here. They're flush. That is just beautiful. Thank you, Steve. You are amazing. We can turn and see how it works. Just gorgeous. And it looks like it's brand new. I mean, it was gray like this. And you smooth the outside of it. It's beautiful. You can see where it said Chubb, and it was made in 97. Let's go inside here. Zoom in a little bit. And we'll take these screws out. I just can't get over it. And there's the cover. Look at that. Just smooth as it can be. And the holes are even countersinked. Look at that. So the tops of the screws are flush. That is so nice. And here's the inside. It has 5 levers. And the sliding bolt here. Screw that up a little bit. You go in. Needs to have the cover on it for it to go up there. And actually move the bolts. We won't mess with that, and I don't want to take out the levers because I mean I get them back in the correct order. But the shackle slips out there, and you can see the bolt right there, and the housing for the bolts, and the slide for the bolt to go into, and the gates. You can see it has a little false gate there. So the inside is just gorgeous. beautiful, beautiful piece of workmanship. There we go. Put it back. So this is really a pride and joy for me to get this. I could never have done anything like this, not even close. I mean, Brummy and Chris Capoon made excellent covers just like this, but they're highly skilled individuals. I believe Chris was a carpenter, and he worked with metal and wood, and I think Brummy is also in some sort of metal industry, and they have exceptional skills. But Steve is just, I think, way beyond that. It's just amazing. I'm just, I say I was speechless, but I've been yapping on. But I just wanted to show everybody what it was like. It was like before and after. Two things. And I just can't say any more other than thank you so very, very much, Steve, for doing this for me.